right. Well, it's there for when you pick. So, all right. So, Blackbirds and Sulphur Green are on the field for round 2. I believe Blackbirds need to take it to stay alive. What you didn't see last game was that we grabbed the flag, got the point, and then they grabbed the flag, but it was right at the end, so they called time before they've hung it. So we got 1 point to nothing in that round. So they actually, now they get to advance to round 3 versus them again. But right now, like I said, we're dealing with the Rabbits, Blackbirds, and Sulphur Green. Guys are taking a little bit to get on the field. Hostile. It looks like it's going to downpour again. Ken slide, Ken low, Jake out. Ken's holding it down right there.